Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 29th, 2021, Crispr Therapeutics. I wanted to come in and speak on, the market price in Crispr. I want to give you all a price prediction as to whether or not the market is overvalued. Is it still overvalued or is it undervalued now, seeing that price has gone down? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I'm not here to give you a lot of fluff, a lot of FUD, a lot of FOMO. I don't give you all technical indicators. I don't speak on technical analysis. I don't even speak on fundamental analysis because price does not move on those things. The only way that price moves is what you and I are willing to buy and sell these instruments for. That is it. Nothing else outside of that. So if you guys can learn how to see based off price charts what people are trying to do, you can actually see where the market's going to go. I mean, take a look at my last price prediction that I did in Crispr right there, October the 10th. Here it is, November the 29th. And I told you all then to be prepared for Crispr to go down in price. Whole lot of comments in the comment section was like, no, you don't know what you're doing. I'm going to buy it as long as price continues to go down. Well, hopefully you guys was on a buying spree because that is definitely what happened into the market. So if you guys want to learn more, if you guys just at least want to be notified as to when I change my price prediction, then keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, do the run in the middle things that everyone else wants you all to do when you come in and view their videos. So now you guys can see it. No need for me to talk about my last video versus what price has done. It went down. I told you all that then. So I'm not surprised to see the market in Crispr go down. We've expected that to happen. So that's 18.46% profitability into the market right there. All right, so now let me take that away. You guys can see here, okay? We need to make a determination. Price and Crispr have gone since the beginning of this year. Let's see how much value has been lost in these stocks. So from January the 15th, the price in Crispr was trading right there around $220, right? Here we are today. We lost 64.25% since the beginning of this year. Now, are we at a buying point? I mean, that's the question that I want you all to answer in the comment section of this video. Are we at a buying point? Because I know many people on YouTube have been telling you to buy the price in Crispr on every freaking dip, which is wrong. You don't buy until you see the market stop dipping. That's the only time you come in and buy. And right now, based on this recent price move, the market is not necessarily telling us that people are buying. We don't move until the market moves. So until we see that change occurring to the market in Crispr, we're not going to come in and buy it. Now you guys can buy on every dip you see, but understand the market is telling us already that it's not done dropping. If you're not convinced that the price chart is telling you what you need to do, then you need to question, how do you understand the market then? So let me get rid of this. So now, first things first. We're in a downtrend into the market in Crispr. Now, I told you all that the first spot for us to see support is already here. This is it. We've already came and hit that area around $78, $79. The next level is going to be down here to 75, which is not that far. So, I mean, that would kind of be a buyer range, $80, $75. Yeah, we can see that. The next area for us to see support is going to be around 60, right? $60. Now, do you think the market in Crispr ultimately is going to try to hit this trend right here, right? Could we see price in Crispr come in and grab this trend here? This is a very linear ascending line. I mean, yeah, we saw the market come in a couple of times back in March 2020, come in and grab that ascending line. It did it again back in 2018. And we started the trend overall back in 2017 of December. Can we see the market come all the way back down there? Just a question. I'm not saying that the price is, but that's like another 45% movement to the downside though. I mean, just something that you may want to consider, that we can still see the market in Crispr come all the way back down to this overall trend, right? All right, let me give you 41.25%. Now, I've pretty much already shown you The three locations that we can see the market come in and find buyers. If they are not here at 77, if the buyers are not here at 77, then like I said, we're going to come back down here towards, $73.50 to $70, and then 60, then back down here towards this ascending line, which is around 50. Yeah, I can see that. Now, time frame, who knows? Because basically, by us seeing price in CRISPR be in this downtrend for a long time period, yeah, it's about time for us to get a lift. It's about time for the market to get some increases in price, which is why I wanted to show you this $77, $78 level. Like, this could be the initial support area that we can see the market in CRISPR come in and grab, right? Now let's see what's going on a weekly time frame. So look at this. We're in a downtrend. Like, every freaking week, the price in CRISPR has been closing lower than the previous week. Now, my first idea is for us to see price come in and try to grab support around 70, right? It would be around that $70 price, $73.50. That would be the first spot. My second area will be 60, right? So let me give you this. So for us to come down towards $70, $73.50, it's like 6% movement to the downside. 70 is around 11. So basically what I'm trying to get y'all to understand is that I'm seeing the price waning from this movement to the downside. At some point, we will see the market stop. At some point. Now, is it going to be around $73.50, $70? It could be, which is why I'm showing you all we might need to take that bag, the opportunity off the play right there, and not become greedy, right? Because at some point, by us seeing this continual movement lower, we're going to find a stoppage, to me, relatively soon. So is it going to be around $73.50, $70? Yeah, it could be. The next level is going to be taking us back down towards like $63 to $60. Okay. That's the second area. And then third area is going to be 50. Now, I'm not looking at $50 yet. So I'm not going to extend my price prediction all the way down there, but I'm going to bring it up here to like 60 though. Okay. I mean, take a look from a monthly perspective as well. Now we got a day and 9 hours left. So if we look totally different on this current monthly price bar for November, if this looks any different, if it looks the way that it looks now, yeah, $60 is definitely in line for us to see the price come into CRISPR. And I won't be looking for the market to hold this support area now. The way that it looks now, I'm not looking for the market to hold this support line that I got drawn around $78. No, I'm not. Okay. So looking at this then, this is where restriction is. Okay, around $100. So yeah, like I said, am I looking for the market to finally go up a little bit? Yeah, we need to see that. And once we do see that, as long as the price doesn't break $100 to the upside, then the weakness is still entrenched and it is still involved into the market. Okay. So now let me take this back over to the daily. And you guys can tell, let me zoom this in. We're going to follow the market on a daily basis. Now, like I said, the only way that this price prediction will go against me is for us to see the buyers come into the market right now. Right? That's the only way. But currently, am I looking for the price to go down in CRISPR? Yes, I am. Okay. And I want you all to remember the three price levels. The first one was like around 73.50 to 70. That's the first area. Second area is 60. Third area is right here around 50 to this ascending line. That's the third area. Now, I'm not going to put that on the chart now, $50, but I just want to kind of put that on your radar so that you can also be kind of seeing that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. This is our updated price prediction to the market in CRISPR. It wasn't hard, wasn't complicated. We're simply on the prowl trying to figure out where the buyers, where are the sellers, so that we can see which majority movement is the price going to go. and this is it. All right, so it's your turn. I want to welcome you all to this price prediction. Drop yours in the comment section and let me know whether y'all think the market price in Crispr is headed to round out the end of this year going into 2022. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.